Thousands of years ago, our ancestors were already producing olive oil. Today, even if the equipment has evolved, the spirit of the harvest remains the same. And to determine which are the best olive oils, the Dubai Olive Oil Competition brings together some of the world's leading international juries. Each olive oil is carefully tasted and evaluated. These olive oils are then found on the tables of the finest restaurants in the world, where every detail counts, as well as in best olive oil store boutiques, now opening in some of the world's most prestigious cities. And this year, we are proud to present one of the best olive oils from Croatia, OPG Bijelić Nikolina Kavadah. In 2026, it was awarded a gold medal, confirming ranking among the best olive oils in the world. For more information, and to discover this exceptional olive oil, visit bestoliveoils.store.